In this lesson, we'll explore two essential aspects of UX/UI design: wireframing and prototyping. Wireframing provides the initial structure of your product, outlining its layout and key features without focusing on visual details. Prototyping, on the other hand, is where your design starts to come to life with interactivity. Prototypes simulate real user interactions and show how the product will function. These tools are vital for designers and product managers alike, helping to ensure that designs meet user needs and expectations before development begins. A wireframe is a low-fidelity representation of your product's layout and functionality. Unlike prototypes, wireframes focus on structure, layout, and user flow rather than visual design elements. It's a rough sketch of the product's interface that highlights key components like navigation, buttons, and content placement. Wireframes serve as the foundation for the design, offering designers a blueprint to work from. They allow design teams to plan the overall user experience and structure, ensuring that the user flow is logical and intuitive. Wireframes are typically simple and are intended to focus on functionality before diving into detailed visuals. Wireframing is crucial for ensuring clarity and structure in the early stages of product design. By providing a visual guide, wireframes help designers organize the layout of a website or app without getting distracted by visual elements. This helps streamline decision-making processes around functionality, such as the positioning of key features and elements. With wireframes, you can test the flow of user interactions and identify potential usability issues before investing in detailed visual design. They serve as a tool to align teams on the product's purpose and structure, ultimately saving time and resources by catching problems early in the design phase. Let's consider a real-life example. Before launching a new website, designers will often begin by creating wireframes of the homepage, navigation menu, and key landing pages. Wireframes help map out the user experience, UX, ensuring that important elements are easily accessible and appropriately placed. For example, designers might use wireframes to plan the user journey, from browsing the homepage to completing a purchase or signing up for a service. By focusing on layout and structure, wireframing enables the team to identify issues with functionality or flow early, resulting in a smoother user experience once visual design and development begin. A prototype is a high-fidelity, interactive version of a product. Unlike wireframes, which focus on layout, prototypes simulate the actual user experience by allowing users to interact with the design. Prototypes bring wireframes to life, adding clickable elements, transitions, and animations to show how the product will function once fully developed. They help designers and stakeholders visualize the user journey and test how the interface feels in real time. Prototypes can be used to simulate user interactions, test usability, and gather feedback, ensuring that the design is aligned with user needs and expectations before moving forward with development. Prototypes are an essential tool for testing and validating design concepts. By creating an interactive model of the product, prototypes allow designers to test user interactions, workflows, and functionality. Testing with prototypes helps uncover usability issues and friction points in the user experience that may not be apparent in static wireframes. Prototypes allow designers to collect valuable feedback from users early in the design process. This feedback can then be used to refine the product, making adjustments to improve the overall user experience. Prototyping ensures that the product is not only functional, but also intuitive and user-friendly before entering development. Wireframing and prototyping serve different yet complementary purposes in the design process. Wireframes are focused on the layout and structure of the product, providing a foundation for the user interface, UI, and user experience, UX. They help define the product's content and organization. Prototypes, however, focus on interactivity, simulating how users will interact with the product and how the interface will function. While wireframes are static and simple, prototypes are dynamic and interactive, helping designers test and refine user interactions. Both tools are crucial for creating a functional, user-friendly product, but they address different aspects of design. There are a variety of tools available for wireframing and prototyping. Figma, Sketch, and Adobe XD are among the most popular tools used by design teams today. Figma is a cloud-based tool that allows real-time collaboration, making it ideal for teams working remotely or in different locations. Sketch is known for its ease of use and powerful vector-based design tools, perfect for wireframing and prototyping. Adobe XD offers a seamless workflow for designing and prototyping in one place, providing integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud products. Each of these tools offers a variety of features for creating wireframes and prototypes efficiently. Figma is a powerful cloud-based design tool that allows for seamless collaboration. Multiple team members can work on the same project in real time, making it ideal for remote teams. Figma offers an intuitive interface for creating wireframes, starting with basic shapes and text, and transitioning into interactive prototypes. Once your wireframe is created, you can link the elements together to create a prototype with interactions and transitions. This makes Figma an excellent tool for rapid prototyping and collaborative design work, allowing teams to gather feedback and iterate quickly. Sketch is a versatile tool for wireframing, providing designers with easy access to pre-made templates and symbols. Sketch is great for building detailed wireframes thanks to its vector-based design tools, allowing for pixel-perfect accuracy. Once the wireframe is set, designers can then use Sketch's prototyping features to link components and create an interactive version of the design. Sketch integrates seamlessly with other tools and plugins, allowing for smooth handoffs to developers once the wireframe and prototype are finalized. It's a go-to tool for many designers working on both low and high-fidelity wireframes. Adobe XD is a comprehensive design tool that offers both wireframing and prototyping in one platform. It's known for its easy-to-use interface, which allows you to quickly create wireframes and convert them into interactive prototypes. With Adobe XD, you can add user interactions like button clicks, transitions, and animations, simulating a fully functional product experience. It also integrates with other Adobe tools, making it a great choice for teams that use Creative Cloud for design. The ability to prototype directly in Adobe XD streamlines the process and ensures a cohesive workflow from wireframe to final prototype. Usability testing is a crucial step to ensure your wireframes and prototypes meet user expectations. By testing interactive prototypes, designers can observe how users interact with the design, uncovering usability issues that may not be apparent in static wireframes. Tools like Maze, InVision, and user testing allow teams to run usability tests remotely and gather valuable feedback. This testing phase helps you identify friction points, clarify user flow, and improve the overall user experience before moving on to development, saving time and resources in the long run. Iteration is at the heart of design. After usability testing, feedback is gathered, and designers refine their wireframes and prototypes based on real user interactions. This iterative process helps eliminate friction and improves usability by addressing any issues early. Wireframes and prototypes are revised multiple times before the final product is built, ensuring that the design not only meets user expectations, but also delivers a seamless experience. Prototyping and wireframing are not one-time tasks. They evolve as more feedback is collected and design decisions are made. Once the wireframes and prototypes are finalized, they're handed off to developers for implementation. Tools like Zeppelin and Figma allow designers to share their designs with developers, providing specifications, assets, and guidelines for implementation. These tools ensure that the final product matches the designer's vision and functionality, streamlining the handoff process and reducing the chance of errors during development. For further learning on wireframing and prototyping, check out these tutorials. UX Design for Beginners on Udemy, Prototyping with Figma on LinkedIn Learning, and Sketching and Wireframing on Coursera. These resources will guide you through the process of creating wireframes and prototypes, offering hands-on experience and insights into best practices for each stage of the design process.